Little tiny one? Wow, very good. He's making lots of tiny ones.
He's drawing lots of tiny trucks.
Picture, Dolly?
Picture of what?
I see a picture.
Can we make another truck?
Cover your mouth, Bub.
Make wheels. You make wheels.
You make wheels.
You're the wheel guy.
Good. And what about a woo-woo on top? What about a bumper? And a front bumper? That's a back bumper. What about a front bumper up here? All right.
This is front wheel.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Okay.
This is back wheel.
No, it's a front wheel.
No.
No.
Right-hander, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna use my green?
Does
Okay.
just about everything right-handed.
All right.
You do the truck?
Yeah. Can we make you a brown truck
Yes.
or a red truck?
Which truck?
How about we make a red truck?
So, we make a which truck?
Okay. This one red? Okay.
Gotta push it.
Oh, gotta push it hard, huh?
You push it really hard.
Oh. Thank you. What are we making?
Which truck?
A red truck? Alright. We'll make this truck going in the other direction. How's that?
Any wheels?
Okay. Let's put the windows in here. And can you make wheels?
Yes.
You gonna make green wheels? Good job. Alright.
Hurry up.
And what about a woo-woo on top? And does it need a front bumper? And a back bumper? Good job. What else does it need? What about a grill? Can you put a grill on the front? Grill goes right there. Perfect. Oh, and headlights? Got little headlights on it too? Oh, good job. Thank you.
The pickup truck?
You gonna need a yellow pickup truck there? See, I don't know if we could see yellow very good. A pickup truck?
Yes.
Okay.
Another one. And the white. No.
It's not yellow? We can't see it very good, can you?
Mama?
Can you put tires on this yellow truck?
No.
I can't see it, huh?
Can't see
Where's
it.
your brown one for? Oh, you're gonna put green one? Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. And a woo-woo on top? What about headlights? Good job.
I have done.
Okay. We all done with that one? You putting the lid back on? Push it real hard? Yeah, so you got the lid on.
That is the orange truck.
You want an orange truck? Okay. Right here?
Yes.
All right. Whoops, did we forget the window?
I got wheels.
Okay. What color wheels are you gonna do? Green? Good one. All right. And is there any headlights on this truck?
No.
No headlights? What about a bumper?
I have a
What color bumper?
and that's for the truck.
Oh yeah?
You move these ones.
Which color?
These ones.
Can you make one?
This one.
That goes on the other side, doesn't it? You're gonna